Well, this is video update number 2 for the train layout. As you can see, it has changed a little bit. I went ahead and did away with the third individual main line. I just figured it would be better if I just had 2 long ones, and that way I could do a little bit more with industry and the yard and stuff back there. Not really too much has changed. I just got some stuff here to give me like a visual representation of what all's going on. I've got my yard here now. Over here's like some these were really hastily home kit bashing odds and ends makeup stuff or just visualization purposes for me. Along with that, and there's my DC engines. A couple of new things. You can zoom in over there. Somebody was nice, and I got a Norfolk Southern SD40-2. I still haven't got my Athens in yet, but they should be here Wednesday, along with the inclines for this back here. The outer track would be raised and stuff, and then go out. Got a new icy hopper, and where is it? The coal car, and a couple more. Can't remember where they are. Got another Santa Fe hopper. Got with 3. And I've been looking at the tank cars online, and good gosh, they're expensive. I wonder why. It seems like they're more expensive than the regular cars. I guess it's just the injection molding. So it has to go through it. Well, that's about it. I'll give a couple of shots for them running on the long lines and stuff like that. But just want to give an update. Later on this week there'll be another update. There should be a pretty good amount of changes done. You can see the elevation in the outer track going over the inner track and stuff like that. But there you go. See ya.